Welcome to our video, Top 7 Innovative Tools and Gadgets for Every DIY Enthusiast. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 7. Greener Screwdriver Set. This ratchet screwdriver set is perfect for a variety of repair scenarios, from electronics to automotive tasks. It features a telescopic ratchet and screwdriver, providing dual-purpose functionality for versatile repairs. Crafted from durable chrome vanadium steel, it's built to last even through tough jobs. The ergonomic grip ensures comfortable use even during extended tasks, and its short-handle design makes it compact and easy to handle in tight spaces. A must-have for anyone who values portability and precision. Number 6. Carpentry Ink Marker. The automatic rewinding Carpentry Ink Marker is an indispensable tool for anyone working with wood, metal, or even paper crafts. This pocket-sized tool features a high-strength nylon thread that provides thin, precise, and easy-to-follow alignment lines. Its semi-permanent ink is scratch-resistant and stain-resistant, ensuring long-lasting marks. With a 15-meter hand-rolled ink line and a fully enclosed spring reel, this marker is both practical and easy to maintain. Whether you're working on woodworking, handicrafts, or artistic projects, this tool will elevate your work. Number 5. Electric Angle Grinder. The RDD Spawn brushless angle grinder is a powerhouse for cutting and grinding tasks. It features a high-temperature-resistant copper wire motor that's both anti-overload and anti-burning, ensuring reliability during demanding jobs. The thickened cover shield protects against spark splashes, while the ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip for better control. With 3 adjustable speed gears and quick change functionality, this cordless grinder is a versatile tool for any DIY enthusiast. Compatible with Makita 18-volt batteries, it offers cordless convenience for ultimate flexibility. Number 4. Portable Power Station. The All Powers Portable Power Station is a versatile and reliable power source for outdoor adventures and emergency backup. It delivers up to 2,000-watt AC output suitable for powering household appliances, while the 606-watt-hour lithium-ion battery provides long-lasting energy. Its digital display and MPPT controller ensure efficient power management. With 4 input options, AC, solar, car, and USB-C, and 9 output ports, it caters to diverse charging needs. Whether you're camping or preparing for emergencies, this solar generator has you covered. Number 3. Titanium Drill Set. This 5-piece titanium-plated drill set is a durable and efficient solution for metalworking and woodworking projects. The high-speed steel with titanium coating ensures superior cutting power, while the precision chamfering design allows for smoother hole transitions. Number 2. Car Polisher Machine. The Basis Car Polisher Machine is a wireless, cordless tool that makes car waxing and polishing effortless. Its adjustable speed settings allow you to customize the polishing experience to suit different surfaces and needs. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, while the compact size offers easy handling. Whether you're maintaining your car's shine or working on other polishing projects, this tool delivers professional-grade results without the hassle of cords. Number 1. Aluminum Hole Locator. The aluminum alloy woodworking hole locator is an indispensable tool for woodworking enthusiasts. Its lightweight yet sturdy design allows for multi-angle drilling with adjustable hole positions from 0 to 90 degrees. The clear scale ensures accurate adjustments based on wood thickness, improving precision and efficiency. This locator is perfect for furniture assembly, woodworking DIY projects, and more. Backed by reliable customer support, this tool is built to make your woodworking projects seamless and enjoyable. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.